tried to get him to say, honey, I love you?
He won't smile. He says, I love you, but I just won't smile.
Have you tried having him sing in front of the camera?
I did, but he just hid behind some butts and does. He's really good at hiding.
What if you took some of his belongings and placed them about for people to find, or he would have to sing to reclaim them?
I like it. I'll go work on that right now.
Excellent, excellent. Sven! Yes. Do you think we can start taming animals that are slightly more ferocious than rabbits and squirrels? Like grasshoppers? I was thinking more along the lines of saber-toothed tigers. Who's that team? Sven, I know you are scared. You must overcome your fears. Think of the circus. Sven, you must do it for children. What if they're scared too? Are you tame the tiger? I shall. I will work on my thing. Growl in the mirror yourself for hours. Hours. I will do that. Thank you. Get me. Now I know you have been brainstorming the most awesome, the most insane, the most dangerous stunt ever to be performed.
Ever.
Are you ready to unleash?
See, I thought you would never ask.
I'm asking.
You are asking. For the stunt that I have been preparing, I need a snorkel. Not the goggles, just the snorkel.
You are a real stuntman.
Yes, of course. I need a coat hanger, not in the shape of a coat hanger, but straight.
Awesome, of course. We do this.
I need a toilet plunger.
Things could get messy.
Very messy. And that cleans everything up. I also need the left wing of an airplane.
Not the right wing?
Did I stutter?
No, you did not.
No, I did not. I need some WD-40.
Okay, right.
I also need an apple.
Why would you need an apple?
Because I'm hungry.
And I want a peach.
A peach will do. Thank you.
You are a true fortune teller.
I will saw who might be hungry.
I
All
know.
those muscles.
How did you get it in your throat?
I don't know.
All right. Now, Madame Zamboni, I will need both your gift of foresight and your miming abilities.
Question.
Yes, Madame?
Why am I always in a mask?
Went over this. I told you it has nothing to do with the accident. Only using your talents best I can.
Sure.
Yes, I'm sure.
Well, fine, Francois.
So, where's Cannon? Was someone playing with fire at Cannon Joe? Where's?
This weather is not good for my bird. It seems as if the Chase Circus has not fallen yet. What could be done about this? This is a definite predicament. Eureka! Any unit is never successful without their fearless leader. Tomorrow night, we will kidnap the ringleader of the Chase Circus, and they shall be crippled forever. Just tell my fashion expert to put the word into my hairdresser. I need to get my perm redone. This weather is no good.